Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, the Math and Chem Hub. So today I'll be teaching probability. I'll be solving a question in probability, and after this video you will be able to solve any questions that has to do with probability. Very simple. Now look at this question. Let me read it out. Out of 10 students, the favorite drinks of 7 is Coke, and the favorite drink of the rest is Fanta. One of the students is chosen at random. What is the probability that the favorite drink of the student is Coke? Now, before I go ahead with solving this question, I would like to explain a few things about probability. Now, first of all, I want to define probability mathematically. Probability simply means the number of possible outcomes all over the number of required outcome. The number of possible outcome, total number of possible outcome over total number of required outcome. Now, in probability, if something is certain to happen, let's take for instance, if today is Monday, then the probability that tomorrow is Tuesday is 1. Now, the probability of something that is certain to happen is 1. Now, but if something is certain not to be true or not to happen, let's say today is Monday, as I said, and you are asked to find the probability that tomorrow will be Wednesday, you know that it's not possible. So the probability that tomorrow will be Wednesday is 0. So if something is certain not to happen, the probability is equal to 0. Now, thank you once again. I still remain Math and Chem Hub, and today I'm going to solve this particular question in probability. Now, stay with me as I take you down in the world of probability. Now, look at this. Now, the question now says, what is the probability that the favorite drink of the student is number 1, Coke, number 2, Fanta, number 3, neither Coke nor Fanta, number 4, either Coke or Fanta. Sorry, this is no, not or. Either Coke or Fanta. Now I'm going to solve it one after the other. Thank you and stay with me. May God bless you. Now let's go straight to the questions. Now question number 1 says, what is the probability that the favorite drink of the student picked is Coke? Now, remember in the question it stated that 7 out of the 10 students likes Coke, while the rest likes Fanta. Now, remember I said that probability is number of possible outcome all over number of required outcome. Now, you ask yourself, what is the possible outcome? The possible outcome is 7 because 7 out of the 10 students likes Coke. So, this is 7 all over. The total number of required outcome is the total number of the students in the class, which is what? 10. And that is the answer. Very simple. Now, let's answer question number 2. Question number 2 asked, what is the probability that the favorite drink of the student is Fanta? Remember, 10 out of the students likes Coke, meaning that the rest of them, which they said likes Fanta, is 3 because 10 minus 7 is 3. So probability, sorry, here is Coke, not Fanta. Coke. So probability of Fanta will be equal to, the possible outcome here will be 3. 3 all over. The required outcome is the total number of students, which is what? 10. Very simple. Now, number 3 stated, number 3, in question number 3, we were asked the probability that the favorite drink of the students pick is neither Coke nor Fanta. Remember, I made a statement in the beginning of this video. I said that probability of something that is certainly not true. something that you know that is not true. Like if today is Monday and you were asked to find the probability that tomorrow will be Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday, you know it's not possible. So probability of something that is not possible or true is equal to 0. Now look at this. In the statement, it stated that 7 students out of the total number of students, which is 10, likes Coke, and the rest, which is 3, likes Fanta. Meaning that out of those 10 students, each of them has their favorite drinks. So the probability that neither of them likes Coke nor Fanta is 0, because 7 likes Coke while 3 likes Fanta. None of them, there is none of them that does not like any of these drinks. Each of them has their favorite. So the probability of neither means that in like they don't like it. Neither, their favorite drink is neither Coke nor Fanta is 0. So probability of neither Coke nor Fanta is equal to 0, because it's not possible. They have, each of them have their favorite. So now the last question stated, what is the probability that the favorite drink of the student chosen is either Coke or Fanta? Now remember, I stated that in the beginning of the video, I also made a statement that if something is certain to happen and something is possible or is certain that it is true, the probability is equal to 1. For instance, if today is Monday, tomorrow is Tuesday, what is probability that tomorrow is Tuesday is 1, because tomorrow is going to be Tuesday, definitely. So the probability that the student chosen likes either Coke or Fanta is true 1, because the student is still among the 10 students. That's 7 of them likes Coke and 3 of them likes Fanta. So it's either the student likes Coke or she likes Fanta. So it's true. So therefore the probability is equal to 1. So probability of either Coke or Fanta is equal to 1. Thank you very much for joining me. Remember to share this video, like, subscribe. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section. If you want me to make or answer any question, or you have any question in probability, you can as well drop it. Remember that Math and Chem Hub offers online lessons. If you want to join us, simply make your comment in this drop a comment in the comment section, and I will let you know how to join. Thank you very much. And if there is a topic you want me to teach in the next video, don't hesitate to let me know. I remain your favorite tutor, Gloria. Have a nice day.